Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I will show you that I am going to withdraw the amount. This is the amount onto Binance from the RoboSats. I've been making a lot of videos about this RoboSat app, so today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw directly into the Binance. And I started my balance back in the days with $10, maybe a week ago or something like that, or 10 days ago. You can check out the video in my playlist. So the thing is, this app really pays. So all you have to do is, let me show you. What you need to do is click the link under the description of this video to sign up through the link, and you can also join this. So here's the thing. I will select this withdraw button here. Okay, withdraw. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select the, amount here. So I'm going to select 153.56 might be, okay. And then here I have to paste in the TRC20 address, the USDT address. So let me go back to Binance. This is my TRC20 address of the Binance. Okay, I'm going to copy this address, add back to the app here, and here I am going to paste the address. Okay, and you can check out the time on top left side, 9:56. You can check out 3rd May Tuesday, 9:56. So after that, I'm gonna click here on confirm. Okay, and the amount I'm gonna get is 148, and the withdrawal fees is 4.6. okay, it depends on how much amount you're going to take. So I'm gonna write down the password, so just hold on. So there you go. After writing down the password, I got this message: withdraw, a successful withdrawal, continue to withdraw cash, or you can select the back. So let's go back to here, select the back button, and you can check out my available balance is 5 USDT right now. So if I go and check out my other balance is 17 Doge, you can check here. Now I have to wait, and if I go on the top right side, you can check out this one, the withdrawal, $148. I'm going to withdraw from my account, and if I show you more, and I will show you after how much time is it gonna deposit onto the Binance, and then I will continue. I have received. Now take a look at yourself, guys. 148.95 USDT has been received. What you have to do is, you're gonna find the link under the description of this video. This is the invitation code, okay, because in order to sign up, you have to register via invitation code. This is the registration link given under the description of this video. Just sign up to this link, and after that, deposit some amount, like 10 USDT would be enough, and you can start earning as well. Right now I have deposited some amount into my account. You can check out, just deposited 10 USDT here. 5 was already in, as you can see at the start of the video. So just deposited 10 USDT. Now what I will do is, I will go to the market. Once you're gonna register, you just have to go to the market down there. Okay, I'm gonna click here on the market. I'm gonna select the 1 USD, 1 day staking. I'm gonna select this one, select the amount here, because other amount is in Doge, TRX, and Polkadot. So you have to just send 10 USDT in this. So I'm going to stake 10, and again, today is 3rd May Tuesday. I'm gonna make the video after a few days. Just keep that in your mind. 3rd May Tuesday, 10:34 is the time, and right after 10 days we're gonna make another video on this, and I'm gonna show you how much I have earned in 10 days. I'm gonna come with proof. Okay, so right now I'm gonna write down the password, and then I'm gonna click confirm. So let me write down the password. After writing down the password, you just need to click on confirm, and after this it is gonna stake the amount, the 10 USDT. Okay, and let's see after how much time I'm gonna get the 10 $100. This is also as I am investing only 10 USDT, so the more you invest, the better would it be. Okay, so there you go. You can see 10 USDT has been staked, and check out here. So after 10 days we're gonna see what are the results, and I'm gonna post the before after video. Okay, take care, bye, and sign up to the link. Thanks.